I can hear something. Napakagandang tunog. Woo! Sabi ko na nga ba. Honda CB 400. Ano ba, nagsasawa na ako dumaan dito Wala na ibang makita yung mga audience ko, kundi ito na lang lugar na to. Pasensya na po kayo, ito po talaga ang pinakamabilis na pauwi sa aking tahanan. Yeah boy. Holy it's the other way. Ayun, nagsikan po tayong patayin ni tatay. Pero okay lang po. Ayun, walang kamote. So, tayo na lang po ang maging kamote. Yeah, boy. Yun, pinakamalupit doon. One way na to. Doon ka pa dumaan sa kabila. Ganun sa kalupit. Ayun, so, kumusta po kayo lahat? Kamusta? Hello. This is DMRPH and welcome to my channel. This is Diary of a Motorcycle Rider Philippines. And don't forget to subscribe and notify yourselves for future videos. Yeah boy! Well, wala po tayong maisip na topic. But yeah, I just want to talk about my frustration in motovlogging. As you all know, I'm a new motovlogger just a few months back, I started motovlogging. Syempre, wala tayong idea kung ano ang motovlogging, kung ano ba dapat ginagawa. Pero marami po tayong pinapanood ng mga motovlog. Yan! Oh, yan! Yeah! Salute to those policemen na hinuhuli po ang mga walang helmet dito, They're doing a good job, honestly, Dahil it's for your own freaking protection po talaga, not the one wearing your helmet. So, yeah, tulad na itong nasa harapan ko, wina-warningan din niya yung mga motoristang walang helmet na may nanghuhuli dun sa kanto, alam mo, ganyan talaga mga Pilipino, ayaw sumunod sa tama, pero tingin pa nila tama yung kanilang ginagawa, Well, hayaan mo sila mahuli para alam nila kung ano yung dapat nilang ginagawa, Because kami po, init na sa mundo, pero nagsusuot po kami ng helmet para, hindi po para sa kanila, but para sa sarili po natin. But anyway, wala po tayo dun sa topic na yan today. And for today, I want to talk about my frustration. So, yeah, I'm really technically new to motovlogging because wala po ako masyadong subscribers and wala pa masyadong laman yung aking motovlog channel, yung YouTube channel ko. But I'm getting there. From time to time, I do my vlogs. From time to time, I do my editing. From time to time, I do posts, And hindi naman po palaging araw-araw post or araw-araw edit or araw-araw. Alam mo, we have so much to do, in our life. And I think, marami rin pong motovloggers will agree with me. Tama po ba? Tama. But, yun na nga po, sa mga YouTubers, motovloggers, katulad ko, wag po kayong mawawala ng pag-asa, may kasabihan nga po, trust the process. Yeah, you'll get there because, alam mo yun, there's nowhere to go but up. Well, it's normal to get frustrated like me today. That's why we're talking about this, for frustration. Yeah, kasi nga po, syempre, bago lang tayo, walang nakakakilala sa atin. So, stoplight, di ba? So, mabagal pong pumasok ang likes. It's always, kahit na ano man bang ang gawin mong video dyan, kahit na anong i-post mong video, kahit na anong laman ng video mo, kahit na ikaw na yung santo sa loob ng video mo, may magdi-dislike pa rin po yan, Meron pa rin mga taong sadyang hindi magugustuhan yung video mo. So, wag po kayo madi-discourage sa mga ganyang bagay. And just continue doing what you like, what you love, what you enjoy doing, Because hindi naman, for me hindi po ang YouTube or ang motovlogging will never be my source of income, no? Dahil hindi naman tayo kikita ng limpak-limpak dyan or talagang milyones araw-araw or may buwan-buwan, ano? But it will come to a point na kahit papano makakamenos yan sa ating gastusin, ano? Pag naging sikat ka, pag sikat. Marami tayong iniidolo at marami tayong nag-serve as inspiration para mag-start tayo ng motovlogging channel, no? Pero hindi po yun nakukuha overnight lang, no? Hindi po yan na nakukuha na ganun-ganun lang kabilis. Yes. So relax lang kayo para hindi kayo maging kamote tulad ko, no? Relax lang tayo. Just keep on uploading, keep on posting, keep on editing, and huwag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa because trust me, I would have done the same, no? So for all of you guys who's out there and thinking the same way that I do, na-frustrate sa YouTube, don't be, no? Because alam mo yun, it's one of our targets, no? Parang there's nowhere to go but up. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to tell you na, alam mo yun, be sure na yung mga motovlogging topics nyo ay may laman, and be sure din po to stay away from the sub to sub. So yung nag-subscribe ako, magsasubscribe ka rin. So be sure to stay away from that because YouTube detects that, no? Naging biktima rin po ako niyan, and hindi po siya maganda for, alam mo yun, subscription, and nagkakaroon tayo ng bad record kay YouTube, no? So let's do it the proper way and the legal way. So yeah, yun lang po. Wala na po kayo ibang pag-uusapan, wala na kayo ibang sasabihin sa inyo. But yun, good luck to your channel, and huwag nyo pong kakalimutang mag-subscribe and ma-notify. Click nyo lang po yung notification button. Let's do a collaboration. If anyone's interested, let's do a collaboration together. Let's ride para, alam mo yun, somehow it will help my channel, and somehow it will help your channel. Yeah. So, aray ko. Wait lang, time out. Okay, kamote, mode on. Yun. So, yun lamang po. Always ride safe, and thank you for watching my diary, the diary of a motorcycle rider, Philippines. And I'm sorry po kung dito tayo palagi dumadaan because this is really the fastest way to go to my house. Yeah? Yun lang po. Salute. Babush.